Elohim arises, his enemies are scattered, and those who hate him flee before him. As the smoke is driven away, you drive away. As wax melts before the fire, the wicked perish before Elohim. But the righteous are glad, they exalt before Elohim, and they rejoice with gladness to sing to Elohim. Sing praises to his name, raise up a highway for him who rides through the deserts. By his name, Yah, and exalt before him. Father of the fatherless, and right ruler of widows, is Elohim in his Kodosh dwelling. Elohim makes a home for the lonely. He brings out into prosperity those who are bound with chains. Only the rebellious shall dwell in a dry land. O Elohim, when you went out before your people, when you stepped through the wilderness, Selah, the earth shook and the Shamayim dropped before Elohim. The Sinai shook before Elohim, the Elohim of Israel. You, O Elohim, sent a shower of plenty. You confirmed your inheritance when it was weary. Your flock dwelled in it. You provided from your goodness for the poor. O Elohim, Yahuah gave the word. The women who proclaimed it was a great company. Sovereigns of armies, flee in haste. And she who remains at home divides the spoil. If you lie down among the sheepfolds, the wings of a dove are covered with silver, and her feathers with yellow gold. When El Shaddai scattered the sovereigns in it, it snowed in Salmon. A mountain of Elohim is the mountain of Bashan. A mountain of peaks is the mountain of Bashan. O mountain of peaks, why do you gaze in envy at the mountain which Elohim desired to dwell in? Yahuah even dwells forever. The chariots of Elohim are 20,000, thousands of thousands. Yahuah came from Sinai into the Kadesh place. You have ascended on high. You have led captivity captive. You have received gifts among men, and even the rebellious that Yah Elohim, I dwell. Baruch Yahuah, day by day he bears our burden, the El of our deliverance. Selah, our El is the El of deliverance, and Yahuah, the dawn belong, escapes from death. Indeed, Elohim smites the head of his enemies, the hairy scalp of him who walks about in his guilt. Yahuwah said, I bring back from Bashan, I bring back from the depths of the sea, so that you plunge your foot in blood, that the tongues of your dogs have their portion from the enemies. They have seen your goings, O Elohim, the goings of my El, my sovereign, into the Kodesh place. The singers went in front, the players on instruments after them. Among them were the maidens playing tambourines. Barak Elohim in the assemblies, Yahuwah from the fountain of Israel. There is Benjamin, the smallest, the ruler. The leaders of Yehudah, their company, the leader of Zebulun, the leader of Naphtali. Your Elohim has commanded your strength, be strong. O Elohim, this is you have worked out for us, because of your heckle at Jerusalem. Sovereigns bring presents to you. Rebuke the wild beasts of the reeds, the herd of bulls, with the calves of the peoples, each one humbling himself with pieces of silver. Scatter the peoples who delight in conflicts. Ambassadors come out of Mizraim. Cush stretches out her hand to Elohim. Sing to Elohim, you reigns of the earth. Praise to Yahuwah, Selah. To him who rides on the anointed, ancient, highest Shaim. He sends out his voice, a mighty voice, ascribe strength to Elohim. His excellence is over Israel, and his strength is in the clouds. O Elohim, awesome is your Mikadashim. The El of Israel is he who gives strength and power to his people.